Well, guys, it has been freezing cold here and a muddy mess. So I'm kind of taking a break from the project this week, and I'm getting a bunch of stuff done around the house that I've been neglecting. And one of them is replacing windows.
Top windows don't come out.
They don't come out?
Top windows you gotta do off a ladder.
Oh, man.
Or from in the house, they don't come out.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're saying. It won't slide out.
Yeah, they don't pull out like the bottom ones do.
Okay. Here's an example of what my old windows used to look like. Thought maybe some of y'all would be interested in the process of how they're replaced. I always thought you had to replace the whole windows. You can see the gas went bad. And this usually happens to the windows that are facing the sun. That's what they're telling me. And like the ones that are under an overhang, such as the porch over here, they never went bad. But it's been about 12 years, and this is what happens to cheap windows. I guess they're cheap, that are exposed to the sun. It deteriorates the gaskets, and all of a sudden the gas starts leaking out, and they get all fogged up like that. So these guys, they know what they're doing. And I'm usually a do-it-yourself guy, as you know, but this is one job that I wouldn't tackle myself. Yeah, I was hoping to film you doing one. Is that one that's getting replaced, or?
Yeah, it's going in your boys' room.
Oh, okay, cool. I'm pretty much a do-it-yourself guy, but this is one job I wouldn't tackle. You guys know what you do.
Yeah, if you hadn't done it before, well, and there's so many different types of these. On these, there has to be, who knows how many different types. I've seen at least 20 different types. The stops will be different. They'll be wood, they'll be metal, they'll be tin. They'll have copper. There's every one's a little bit different just about. But it's all the same principle.
Yeah. But if you don't know what you're doing, it's going to take you 10 times as long and twice the money, probably.
Well, you know.
Man, you do make that look easy.
$19.75, 34 3/4.
I'm guessing, didn't you? I didn't see it.
Yeah, it looks right. Where's the next one gonna be?
Right over here.
Wait.
Over 3 windows towards the end of the house.
Yep.
I'm not kidding.
Done.
Did I miss the coffee? I blinked.
Yeah, you missed the coffee. It's okay. You want to see it.
Done. Good workout, man. Oh yeah.
Nice. Thanks for letting me film it. I appreciate that.
I don't mind.
I got a YouTube channel, and I didn't have a video for Friday, so I'm like, man, people love to see this.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
JY Dog. I made a camper out of a 10-foot box truck, and I put a Cummins engine in a little truck and stuff like that. Yeah. And it's just kind of my hobby. Do stuff on the side.
Do me a favor. Text me then on the phone later on.
Sure.
Your YouTube channel.
Yeah, I will.
I love watching stuff like this and hot rods and
Yeah.
man.
I always got just some little hobby projects and stuff like that.
I love that.
That's all I watch anymore. I don't watch any.
You watch Monster Garage?
Yeah, used to love that.
That's my cousin.
Really?
Jesse James? Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome, man.
Yeah, he's pretty good at what he does.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I used to love that show. Now
Yeah, he's
in
back on
Texas,
now.
right? Oh, he is?
Yeah. He moved to Austin, Texas.
Yeah.
And
he's got a shop in the back. And
Yep. He got away from the California scene, but him and Sandra split up, so he's back. He's remarried, but
Yeah.
yeah, he's in Texas now doing his own thing out there.
Yeah, I love that show.
Um,
Leave it to the experts on this, guys. This is, I believe in saving money, but you ain't going to save as much money as the amount of frustration you're probably going to have doing this and leaving it to somebody who's been doing it for 20 years and, does it for a living as a trade. I'm glad to pay. This is the other thing we got done. And my brother and I tiled this shower together. It was like 12 years ago when we built the house, and I had no idea about doing the glass. And like I said, it's probably one of the things you should probably leave for somebody else to do, and they did a nice job. It costs a little bit, but my wife's been wanting this. She likes to take a hot shower and have it all enclosed, so it's all steamy and everything. So only took 12 years for me to do it. So our anniversary is in March, and it's 30th anniversary, and my wife wanted to go to a spa, so she's bringing me to a spa, and I'm bringing the spa to her, which we bought a hot tub. It's a used hot tub, but it looks brand new, and I have got to figure out how to bring it up and put it on this porch, and I hope this concrete's strong enough to support it. I already have a crack started over here, it looks like, but we're going to test it out, see how it works. And I'm trying to, this is my contraption, I'm trying to figure out how I can at least get it started, roll it up here, and then I'll get some friends over here if I need to. But I got these little round logs. I'm going to try to squeeze them up underneath here and then roll it along up here on this dolly, and then move it over here with the dolly. Anyway, that's the plan. I don't know how it's going to work out. So far, so good. about this before I tear something up. I think I can do this. I'll start me a new career, hot tub moving. Look at this thing though. It's supposed to be used, man. It doesn't look used at all. A little dirty, but I like it. All right, now I'll move it this way. Drains on that side, so I guess that would be a good way to. I'm suspecting the motor's over there since that. All the intake and all that stuff in the hump is over there, so that'll be a good place for it. Move it over here. And that is how you move a hot tub by yourself.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.